Cover na natin, partner. Calling race number 6.
Good luck.
Christopher Ultimo Ora.
Thank you very much to both of you, Mr. Denden Sambaon and Mr. Maki Maceda. Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for Sapima. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 6. Racing just is started. We have Nemesis break quickly restart. Moving upon the outside is Never Say Goodbye Sapima. Royal Jewels comes next. Then down on the inside is Priceless Joy. Price Dancer alongside. Then comes Maximum Velocity. Angel of Mercy Racing second last, while Darleb is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have the fast stepping Nemesis on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Never Say Goodbye in second, Sapima. Then moving up now to take third is Royal Jewels. Price Dancer is down in fifth, and in sixth, Priceless Joy. 7 belongs to Angel of Mercy. 8 comes number 7, and this one is Maximum Velocity, while Darleb is still racing in last set of the fourth turn. We have Nemesis enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Then here comes Royal Jewels, now moving up down on the inside, and I says it's my turn to take the lead. Jet Tagulaw Sarate on Royal Jewels now by about 2 lengths. Nemesis shuffle back in second, and on the outside now is Never Say Goodbye Price Dancer. Last 100 meters we have Royal Jewels, followed now by Price Dancer, and finally Royal Jewels. Price Dancer, Sapima, Never Say Goodbye, Maximum Velocity.
Yes, partner. Hindi sila binigo ni Jackie Jeff Sarate.